Hello everybody, this is going to be a test of my new garage door system where as I push the switch to open and close the garage door, it will tell you that to stand clear that the garage door is in motion. Now I've made this new setup where this switch right here, if I push it, the wire communicate all the way up to the garage door motor and it opens and closes it while the other wires hooked up to the switch go into the panel and go up to the speaker. Well, first it goes to the amplifier, then goes up to the speaker and tells you to stand clear of the door. So without further ado, I will press the switch.
Attention! Attention! Garage door in motion. Stand clear. Attention! Attention! Garage door in motion. Stand clear.
And now one more time to open it.
Attention! Attention! Garage door in motion. Stand clear. Attention! Attention! Garage door in motion. Stand clear.
And that is it.